अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। कायद-ए-आज़म्स struggle and contribution for Pakistan from 1947 to 1948 as Pakistan came into being on the map of the world on 14 August 1947. All this was happened because of Quaid-e-Azam, Allama Muhammad Iqbal and other companions all struggled for the separate homeland, for the religious freedom and live a happy free life as Muslim nation. As Pakistan came into being on 1947, the first was its governance and the government leaders were to be chosen. All nation and big leaders chose Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah as first Governor General of Pakistan. Pakistan was needed such a great, working hard and patient leader at that time. May Allah bless him highest rank in heaven. Let's see Quaid-e-Azam's contribution 1947 to 1948 for Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam worked hard as a governor of Pakistan. He gathered all leaders, all governing rulers and counseled them, and himself was an advocate, and he advocated his thoughts for the betterment of Pakistan. On 1947, as Quaid-e-Azam became Governor General of Pakistan, he turned the dream of an independent Muslim homeland into reality. He ensured the smooth transfer of power from British rulers and Indian authorities to Pakistan independent state. He worked hard. His passion and devotion was tirelessly. His sister once said, "Sleep," as he awakened all the night. He said, "My nation is sleeping and I have to be awakened for the future of Muslim nation and Pakistan." He established a new state. He worked tirelessly for the setup of government institutions as colleges, civil services and courts, army. All he did the job for Pakistan, disciplined country, and he focused on the defense of Pakistan. He helped refugees as partition was made and Pakistan was came into being as a separate homeland, and Muslim majorities from Indian part migrated to Pakistan, and they have to face the problems of homes and food. Quaid-e-Azam directed government machinery to provide them shelters, homes and food and medical aids as well. He was very kind-hearted and visited the refugees himself to the camps and checked the mission of their survivors. Defense and security was his priority. He strengthened Pak Army, and during Kashmir War was on 1947 and 48. He declared Kashmir as the jugular vein of Pakistan. He never compromised on Kashmir. He said Kashmir is the heart of Pakistan. It is the jugular vein of Pakistan, and we will get free Kashmir from Hindustan. As a economic and industrial foundations, Quaid-e-Azam established State Bank of Pakistan in 1948 in the month of July and ensured economic independence for Pakistan and encouraged also agriculture and industry and trade for the powerful Pakistan economy. His vision of unity was clear. He was of the motto that Pakistanis are one nation and no Punjabi, no Sindhi, no Balochi, no Pakhtun, Pathan. All are Muslims and all are Pakistani. His speech in 1947, he clearly emphasized for the citizenship of Pakistan as one unit and with the religion of Pakistan. No caste is a priority. All nations, as there are no non-Muslims as well, minorities are also Pakistanis. They would be treated as Pakistanis, not at non-Muslims. They are the part of Pakistan nation. Instead of his health issues, he worked hard day and night. He sacrificed his health for establishment of Pakistan and management of Pakistan. After 1947 to 1948, he struggled very hard as he died on September 1948, only after 13 months of independence. The Pakistan independence was because of Quaid-e-Azam's struggles and his companions struggled also. And this foundation of Pakistan was because of the strong leader, the founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, as he called the Baba-e-Qaum, the father of the nation, and is given the surname of Quaid-e-Azam, that means the greatest leader. And he was bold and brave enough to speak in front of British rulers, and he has a full mastery on English language, and he was the vocal person of Muslims in Congress also. And after partition, he focused on the progress and prosperity of Pakistan. He was a patriotic and the well-wisher of Muslims and Pakistan. He never gave up till his last days. His sister said sleep, but he was on the work to go for Pakistan's prosperity and discipline. And Pakistan Zindabad, Quaid-e-Azam, 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 the founder of Pakistan. May Allah bless him, highest rank in heaven. We pray for him. Ameen. We should follow his work and strategies for our country as a student, as a teacher, as a management, and as a rulers. His motto was work, 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 and he believed in faith, unity, and discipline. We should have faith, strong faith, and strong unity as a nation, and strong faith on God, strong unity as a nation, and disciplined Pakistanis. Pakistan Zindabad. Assalamu alaikum.